Welcome to English Learning Zone.
The best place to practice, shadow, and improve your English speaking skills.
Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Ria.
And I'm Arjun. Hey Ria, today we're going to talk about something everyone can relate to. Our daily routine.
Exactly. Because when you can talk about your daily life in English, you can talk confidently anywhere, school, work, interviews, or with friends.
And as always, we'll use some vocab boost words along the way. Those special words will be highlighted. So you can learn them, recall them, and reuse them forever.
Alright Arjun, let's start from the beginning, morning time. So tell us, what's your usual morning routine?
Well, my day starts early, around 6:30 a.m. I try to wake up on time, though sometimes my alarm becomes my biggest enemy. First thing, I stretch a little, open the window, and let some fresh air in. Then I brush my teeth and drink a glass of warm water. It really helps me feel energized. Okay, let's add our first vocab boost word, energized. Meaning full of energy, active, and ready to go.
That's great! I usually wake up at 7 a.m. After brushing, I do yoga for 15 minutes. It keeps me calm and focused the whole day. Then I make tea for my family. It's kind of my morning ritual.
Ah yes, that's the Indian start, a good cup of chai. Then what do you do?
I take a shower, get dressed, and prepare breakfast. Usually it's poha or idli, something light. While eating, I like to listen to English podcasts like ours. So after breakfast, the real day begins, work or study time.
I start my office work around 9 a.m. Before I open my laptop, I always check my to-do list. It helps me stay organized. Then I go through my emails and attend meetings. Since I work from home most days, I make sure my space is clutter-free.
Good one, clutter-free. That means clean, without unnecessary things around. I also try to keep my desk tidy while I study or record. I usually take short breaks, just 5 minutes, to relax my mind.
Yes, breaks are important. Otherwise we start feeling drained, which means tired or low on energy.
Exactly. By the way, Arjun, do you listen to music while working?
Sometimes soft instrumental music, it keeps me focused. But no songs during work. Otherwise I'll start singing and forget the report.
True. I also love playing light background music when editing our podcast. Alright, after a long morning, it's lunchtime. What do you usually eat?
Mostly simple Indian food, roti, dal, sabzi, and salad. After lunch, I take a short walk. It helps with digestion and gives me a fresh perspective for the rest of the day.
Nice use of perspective. That means a new way of looking at things. I like to take a quick nap after lunch if I'm at home, just 20 minutes. Then I continue my work till evening. Evenings are my favorite part of the day. I spend time with my family, help my mom in the kitchen, and talk about our day.
Same here. By 6:30 p.m., I usually wrap up my tasks and go for a walk or play badminton. It keeps me active and helps me disconnect from work.
It's a nice way to unwind, meaning to relax after being busy.
Perfect vocab word there, Ria. And for our listeners, don't forget to note these down. Energized, organized, clutter-free, drained, unwind, and perspective. These are great to use in your own daily routine sentences.
So what about nighttime?
I usually have dinner around 8:30 p.m. Again, simple Indian food. Then I spend a few minutes scrolling Instagram. But I try to read or watch something educational before bed. It keeps my mind stimulated. Our next vocab boost word is stimulated. Meaning mentally active and interested.
Good habit. I do my skincare routine, Prepare things for tomorrow. And listen to soft music before sleeping. I usually sleep by 11 p.m. Alright friends, before we finish, let's give you some quick tips to describe your own daily routine in English.
Tip 1. Use time expressions, in the morning, at noon, in the evening, before bed.
Tip 2. Use action verbs, wake up, brush, cook, study, travel, relax.
Tip 3. Add 1 or 2 vocab boost words, like energized, organized, or stimulated, to sound more fluent.
And tip 4. Practice shadowing. Repeat after us while listening. It improves your pronunciation and confidence.
So today, we learned how to talk about your daily routine in English. From morning to night.
Yes. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write your daily routine in 3 to 4 sentences. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m., drink tea, and go to the gym. Simple, clear, and confident.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
This is Ria.
And Arjun.
See you in the next episode.
Bye bye.
Bye.